If you're short on time or too lazy to cook, that's perfect, because today we're making viral microwave recipes. Yeah. Why is it so juicy? Does this look delicious? This recipe looks so fun to make.
So apparently you can make a huge batch of honeycomb candy in the microwave. I used to make these all the time during COVID with my dalgona coffee, and I recently saw a creator make it in the microwave, so let's give it a shot. Starting off, in a microwave safe bowl, add a 2-to-1 part sugar to water, and then microwave for about 3 minutes or until it's amber like this. Next, pour it into a bowl lined with some parchment paper and immediately add in some baking soda. Give it a stir until it starts growing, and be careful because this mixture is pretty hot. Like a soft caramelly candy that goes on top of your drinks and dissolves so nicely to give like a caramel flavor to your lattes.
Honeycomb in the microwave. I am kind of excited and scared to make this because it's like a science experiment. I've got here 50 grams of sugar, and I'm gonna pour in 25 mils of water. Give it a little stir, and then we pop this in the microwave for about 3 minutes. On the highest setting. Stand far away from it. My mom always tells me, don't stand near the microwave. If you guys hear any crunching, it's Alf, the cameraman, snacking on shrimp chips, just FYI. I don't know if any of you guys were like this, but when I was younger and if I would microwave stuff, I would stop it. I would stand and stop it before it starts beeping. Don't wake the family up microwaving mee goreng or noodles at night. It's bubbling. Oh, I think a little bit more, maybe another 7 seconds. Wait, can I even hold this? Ah! Oh.
Bam, I dropped it.
Wait, how am I gonna pour it? I need the handle. I'm supposed to immediately pour into this bowl. Okay, cameraman.
Yeah.
Pouring it in. Stir, stir, stir. Did I do it? Oh, it's growing.
It's expanding.
It's growing. I was actually expecting it to grow a lot more. Should I stir it more? Does it look like honeycomb? My whole kitchen smells like caramel, like it smells like toffee. That was relatively okay to make as long as you have something that can hold the really hot glass. How long does this take to harden? Ta-da! There we go, guys. I was expecting it to like become a volcano, but it was pretty manageable. Now we just let that set and then we can try it. Lift it up. Should I peel it away? It's hardened. It's not really peeling off, guys. Ooh. The paper's stuck to it. Like, this is not what I envisioned. Making this wasn't a mess, but taking it apart to try is a mess. Oh, I messed up. That white substance, that's baking powder. I should have mixed it a lot more. I mean, if I just pick around that, I'm pretty sure it'll be fine. Anyways, let's try. Ooh. It's so bitter. Ugh, it tastes burnt. Did we burn the sugar? When it first goes into the mouth, it's like, yeah, I'm eating honeycomb, and then it becomes too bitter. So I think if I was to make this again, I wouldn't go for that deep amber color. Maybe make it a little bit more like light yellow. But maybe if I just topped it on my drink, it wouldn't be so bitter. Overall, fun to make, but I probably wouldn't make it again. I'll give this a one thumb. Do you reckon if I choose a lighter bit, it wouldn't be bitter? The light bits aren't as bitter, but when it gets darker, that's when it gets bitter. So don't burn your sugar. Actually, the lighter bits is growing on me. The lighter bits, I'd probably give it 2 thumbs. Maybe I need to make this again. The texture is there. The look is also there. The sticking to my teeth element is also there. I thought making hot pot was already easy, but this method makes it way easier.
If you need a quick hot meal in under 10 minutes, then make microwave hot pot.
I'm gonna add enoki mushrooms for my favorite type of mushrooms, bok choy, which is a good source of vitamins A and C, firm tofu for some protein and also because it absorbs flavor well, and thinly sliced meat for protein and iron. For a light broth, I'm combining soy sauce, sesame oil, meat in, garlic, and water, and then pouring it all over the meat for maximum flavor. I then topped everything with Napa cabbage, my favorite type of cabbage, and now I'm gonna place a bowl to cover this so it steams before I pop it in the microwave for 6 minutes. After that, your quick and easy meal is ready. I cut everything into bite-sized pieces so it's easier to eat, but as you can see, everything is fully cooked. I dip everything in a yakiniku dipping sauce for even more flavor and have it over rice because no meal is complete without rice.
That is the easiest hot pot meal ever. Like, hot pot is already easy, guys. You just need to boil everything. But this, you don't even need to boil water. In goes my enoki mushrooms. I'm gonna cut in some bok choy, put some tofu in. Then you just pop your sliced meat on top. You can buy like trays like this that's frozen. Then we just make the broth, a light broth, which is soy sauce, sesame oil, mirin. I'm just literally doing equal parts. Garlic and water. Pour the light broth on top. And then you want to top and cover it with cabbage. She used Napa cabbage. Now we just cover and pop it in the microwave for 6 minutes. Ooh. Okay, it just looks cooked, but it actually smells pretty decent. I'm gonna chop this cabbage, make it more bite-sized. The meat's in there. Is it cooked? Ooh, it's cooked. Tastes like hot pot. Tell you what, it tastes like a healthy hot pot, because usually when I have hot pot, my dipping sauce is like this concoction of flavor. But this one, it's like mild, tastes healthy, tastes clean. Cabbage is cooked, meat's cooked. Actually pretty good. Well, I got to taste the broth, the light broth. Good, it's good. Right?
It's not bad.
If you were starving and you came back from work and you were just too tired to like cook anything, you can just throw everything on a plate, make your light broth, microwave, and you've got this hearty meal. I think this deserves like a double thumbs up. Like effort-wise, flavor-wise, it's healthy. It's just not the most pretty thing to make, but when is hot pot ever pretty, right?
Is it safe cooking with a microwave?
Yeah, I don't know.
What's the science behind
Tell
this?
me, I thought it was actually bad to eat. Like,
I've always been told that it's not a good idea.
is it because it kills all the nutrients? But hey, she was a nutritionist. Tell us in the comments, educate us. I feel like there's been a lot of, I don't know if it's fake news or whatever, but we've been like influenced not to use the microwave as much, because for me, I think it kills the nutrition. I don't know where did this come from? This is pretty good, that's why. I would like to make this more, but if it's actually not that healthy, let us know. Honestly, I had no idea you can make potato chips like this.
You are not going to believe me when I tell you that these healthy, oil-free potato chips are made in the microwave in just a few minutes, and all you need is potatoes and salt. Wash and dry your potatoes, then slice them in half. Use a mandolin or a sharp knife to slice the potatoes as thinly as you can. Add them to a bowl of ice water to remove the starch, and then pat dry well with a towel. Arrange them on a plate and sprinkle well with salt. Microwave for 2 minutes per side, and you have the most delicious, healthy, salty snack in just a few minutes. Try this out and follow me for more healthy recipes.
Let's turn these patatas into chips. This is like literally my face shape. Cut the potatoes in half. This is the second time I'm using this. Why does it feel like it's an explosion mess? It's actually going everywhere. It's like going into my eye. Who would have thought potatoes were so juicy? Why is it so juicy? You know, usually when people use this, they like sell it because it's like so easy. Then there's me. Oh, ta-da! It's like a potato murder scene right now, guys. Look at that. Make it rain. Yeah. What do? We gotta dry them now. Ice bath. Yeah, it's so murky. The ice bath will help these potato slices be crunchier and less starchy. Okay, we're just gonna do these guys first. Before these go in, I'm just going to salt them and then microwave them for 2 minutes each side. I don't think my microwave has ever worked so hard. That's 2 minutes and I can kind of see them lifting up and they look like they're getting crispy. I'm just gonna flip them now. It took us some time to make this small bowl of chips. I worked out that for my microwave, it's best to do 2.5 minutes each side, 5 minutes for 9 pieces of chips. But let's try to see if this is legit. It looks legit. It's even got like the little bubbles. Will it have the crunch? Let's find out. What? Okay. Guys, what? I need to go for a second one. This is actually legit. It tastes like a potato chip and it tastes like an unhealthy one too.
Oh wow, it's like completely dry.
We also tried to make some in the air fryer. It was kind of burnt and then some bits were soggy. But the microwave one, guys, I think the thin ones.
Yes.
We gotta make this for Lila. She loves eating chips and obviously like we try not to let her have too many chips, but maybe she can have these ones. Shall we do a romantic one where we cross our arms?
Sure.
Now that I've tasted it and it passed the crunch test, I think it is worth the time slicing it, drying it, soaking it, and then also just laying it out to microwave. Actually pretty decent. Like if you bag that and let me try it, I would think that it's like a store-bought chip. Double thumbs up for me. Double thumbs up.
Same.
Double chippies up. Try it if you're looking for a healthier, I think it's healthier, I don't know guys, it's in the microwave, a hack to making potato chips. No oil
No
used.
oil, right?
No.
Yeah, it's amazing.
I was like, yeah, we're having that every night after dinner. I've never made fried rice like this. Guys, tell me, is it illegal to call this fried rice when it's not made by frying at all? I'm using pre-made rice, just like the guy did. Pop that onto our plate. Rice in. Then we're gonna crack in 2 eggs, mix it together. I see shell, I see shell. It's gone, it's in there. I tried. Sometimes you just gotta cut your losses and just eat some eggshell. It's not looking great, guys. In goes Spam. Okay guys, I did not realize this, but I bought vegetarian Spam. If this goes downhill, this could be the reason. Spring onions. Add in a teaspoon of soy sauce and then a teaspoon of sesame oil. My boy is here, my boy is here. We just gave him a haircut. Does this look delicious?
It's just
It's actually looking at it. And then we just microwave for 3 minutes. Stand away from the microwave. Ooh, it doesn't look and smell that bad, guys. Actually, it looks decent. You gotta have the kimchi because I feel like this is what's gonna add that flavor. Right? Kimchi and then shredded mozzarella cheese. I'm so fancy, I'm shredding my own cheese because this was cheaper than the shredded packet. La 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 la. It's snowing. Did he add a lot? I feel like he added a lot. If Zen was here, she'd be like, more cheese, more cheese, more. She is a cheese fiend. By the way, if you guys are wondering, where's Zen? What happened to her? Nothing happened to her. She's just in Singapore. She couldn't come this trip, so I just gotta film solo. But Zen will be editing this, so she is always in my videos in spirit. Fingers still intact. That's a good sign. Now we microwave again until it's all melted. Ooh. This is actually turning into something that looks delicious. I'm adding in more spring onions on top. And then I think he adds like a lao gan ma or like a chili oil sauce. I ran out of my lao gan ma. I ran out. I'm just gonna use like my chili paste, but just a little bit because I don't want it too spicy. And then he seasons it with seaweed. So I'm just gonna grab one and just like crumple it, pull it on top. It actually smells really good. What? Could microwave fried rice be actually good? It's weird, guys. Definitely not that dry fried rice. It's more like mush. The texture is weird. I just felt like I made an omelette, like it's just one piece. Not as bad as I thought it would be. In fact, it's borderline good. There's lots of flavors for sure. Oh man, my chili sauce. This one, I got gifted it from Hoi An. It is spicy. If you don't mind mushy fried rice, because usually with Korean fried rice, it's a little bit mushy anyway. It's not like the Chinese fried rice where each rice grain is like on its own. It's kind of flaky. It's like more dry. This one is all clumping together. If you don't mind that, I think you might actually enjoy this. Look at that cheese ball. It's the nod of approval. It's actually decent. The more I eat this, the more I am like in favor of making fried rice in the microwave. Gotta eat it with the seaweed. This is romantic if I feed you like this. What do we think?
Actually really good.
Right? It's actually decent. The vegetarian Spam doesn't even faze me. I feel like you can't even tell.
Give me more.
The more I like get into the center of this, like a bit of the cheese, a bit of the kimchi. Tofu. I was really mad at how this was made, but it's a double thumbs up, guys. Guys, try it out yourself.
Desmond, double thumbs up for me.
Double thumbs up.
Thumbs up, hands in the air.
Camera shy. I am actually really surprised and shocked at how good these microwave recipes were. Like, what? Like, imagine I invited you over and I told you I'm cooking up a storm in the microwave. Your hopes would be very low, right? But all these recipes actually deliver and it exceeded my expectations. If you had to make one.
Chips or fried rice?
Wow, okay. I actually like the hot pot one. Anyways, if you guys want to watch more kitchen chaos, I have a whole playlist you guys can binge. Subscribe if you're new here and I shall speak to you guys next time. Bye! Oh my god, I have my thumb buddies gone. I have not had a thumb routine. At least I have my thumbs, right? After slicing all those. That's the most important thing. Don't forget to thumb this video.